The Donner Party is one of the most infamous tales of survival and tragedy in American history, a stark reminder of the risks and hardships faced by pioneers heading west during the 19th century. Here's an overview of their harrowing journey. In the spring of 1846, a group of nearly 90 emigrants set out from Springfield, Illinois, to California, drawn by the promise of fertile land and a new start. Led by George and Jacob Donner, along with James Reed, the group joined the larger migration heading west along the Oregon Trail. However, their journey took a fateful turn when they decided to follow a newly proposed route, the Hastings Cutoff. The Hastings Cutoff, promoted by Lansford Hastings in his guidebook, claimed to be a shortcut to California, bypassing the established route through Fort Hall. The Donner Party was persuaded to take this untested path, despite warnings from more experienced travelers. This decision would add over 100 miles to their journey and lead them through treacherous terrain, including the Wasatch Mountains and the Great Salt Lake Desert. The cutoff proved disastrous. The group endured a grueling trek through the arid Great Salt Lake Desert, where they lost valuable time, wagons, and oxen. Exhausted and running low on supplies, they rejoined the traditional trail near the Humboldt River but were weeks behind schedule as winter approached. In late October, the Donner Party reached the Sierra Nevada mountains. Snowstorms hit earlier than expected, trapping them near Truckee Lake, modern-day Donner Lake. With no way forward or back, the group built makeshift shelters and prepared to endure the harsh winter. However, their food supplies were critically low. As the weeks turned into months, starvation took hold. Livestock was consumed, followed by boiled leather and bark. Eventually, some members resorted to cannibalism to survive. The situation became dire, with groups splintering as tensions and desperation rose. One group, known as the Forlorn Hope, attempted to trek through the snow to find help. Only 7 of the 15 who set out survived, their journey marred by the same grisly necessity of consuming deceased companions. Rescue efforts began in February 1847 after survivors from the Forlorn Hope reached California and alerted authorities. For relief, parties braved the snow to save the stranded emigrants. Tragically, many had already perished by the time rescuers arrived, and the survivors were weak, emaciated, and traumatized. Of the original 87 immigrants, only 48 survived. The Donner Party's ordeal became a cautionary tale of poor planning, risky shortcuts, and the sheer unpredictability of nature. Their story has been retold in countless books, documentaries, and even folklore, symbolizing both the human capacity for endurance and the moral challenges posed by survival. Today, Donner Lake and the Donner Memorial State Park stand as somber reminders of their tragic journey. The story of the Donner Party is one of human resilience pushed to its absolute limits, a grim testament to the perils of ambition and the unpredictability of the untamed wilderness. It serves as both a cautionary tale and a reminder of the sacrifices made in pursuit of the American dream. As we reflect on their ordeal, we honor the courage and endurance of those who survived, and we remember the lives lost to one of history's most harrowing journeys. The lessons of the Donner Party endure, urging us to approach challenges with preparation, caution, and compassion, even in the face of the most daunting trials.